Hello everyone, my name is Asad and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about preposition. What is prepositions? What are the examples of preposition and how can we use them in sentences? So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. Welcome back. So, preposition is a word which is used to link a noun or pronoun to some other words in a sentence, or preposition is a word which shows a relationship among other words in a sentence. This relationship includes direction, time, place, and manner. Some of the most common prepositions are listed below. About, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, despite, down, during, except, for, from, inside, in, into, of, on, onto, out, outside, over, through, throughout, toward, to, under, until, up, upon, underneath, with, within, and without. Now let's use all of these prepositions in sentences. I love thinking about the future. Her grades are above average. Oh, I will go across and have a look. The children ran after the cat. We should continue the struggle for justice and against injustice. Zara is walking along the street. She lives in the house among the trees. They are running around the tracks. Our class starts at 3 o'clock. I have to rest before dinner. Stay behind me. The temperature is below zero. A boy was sleeping beneath a large tree. The table is beside the bed. A child develops rapidly between the ages of 13 and 16. He pointed to a spot beyond the trees. I guess he was stunned by your beauty. He appeared relaxed despite the danger. She sat down on the bed and sighed again. Nobody spoke during the presentation. He likes to play all sports except soccer. We voted for change. She began to walk away from him. The inside of the masjid is very beautiful. Sarah is in the class. Ali is diving into the water. That chair is made of plastic. Zaid is falling off the horse. The cat is on the table. They went onto the bridge. If he called, she would pretend she's out. Ali and Zara are anxiously waiting outside. There is a bridge over the river. The cars are going through the tunnel. His supporter remained loyal throughout his difficulties. As they continue walking toward the house, he cleared his throat. This bus is going to Lahore. Tom is under the car. We went to bed and sleep until morning. They are going up the stairs. She was seated upon a throne. He slept a note underneath the door. She lived with him all her life. When there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do us no harm. Without your help, I would have drawn. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.